Hello creative minds! Tired of using the same old tools like Runway and Kling AI for your video projects? Then it's time to step up your game because today we're exploring a brand new AI video generator, Veed.io AI Studio. This cutting-edge tool is set to revolutionize the way you create videos with unmatched simplicity, stunning results, and advanced features that truly make it a game changer. Let's dive into the details step by step. Step 1. Get started with Veed.io AI Studio. Head over to the Veed.io AI Studio website and sign up for a free account. The interface is sleek and beginner friendly, so you'll feel right at home even if this is your first time working with AI video tools. Step 2. Choose the type of video you want. Once you're logged in, you'll see several options for creating videos. Veed.io AI Studio allows you to make explainer videos, product demos, social media reels, or even animations. Select the type of video that suits your project. For this tutorial, let's go with social media reels. Step 3. Upload your assets or use AI templates. Upload your images, logos, or short video clips directly into the editor. Don't have your own media? No problem. Veed.io AI Studio comes with a vast library of AI-powered templates tailored for every purpose. Pick one that aligns with your theme and branding. Step 4. Use AI to enhance visuals. Here's where the magic happens. Veed.io AI Studio provides advanced AI tools to automatically add animations, transitions, and effects to your footage. You can even turn static images into dynamic video sequences with just a few clicks. Adjust the color grading and lighting with their smart AI filters to give your video a polished, professional look. Step 5. Add captions, music, and voiceovers. Easily generate accurate captions with Veed.io's AI subtitle generator to make your videos accessible to a wider audience. Want voiceovers? The tool offers realistic AI voices in various tones and languages. You can also select background music from their royalty-free library or upload your own track. Step 6. Preview, refine, and export. Preview your video in real time to ensure everything looks perfect. Make any final adjustments, like tweaking transitions or aligning captions once you're satisfied. Export your video in high quality with one click. You can directly download it or share it across social media platforms. That's it. Stop settling for outdated tools. Unlock your video creation potential with Veed.io AI Studio. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting tutorials. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.